I'm Jim Scott, WB0IYC, International Yackers Club, and I'm here with the Joplin Amateur Radio Club, and we're promoting our antenna launchers that we have made since 2012. This is our Mark II version, which is electrically operated, but it uses the same technology as this one, this is mine from 2012, and it makes use of a ball valve to operate. And so you would pump it up with air using your tire pump from Walmart or wherever, $9. And you get one of these from your friend who doesn't fish anymore with a spin. They're always in the closet. Somebody's got one somewhere. So then you charge it, and it uses a projectile that's shaped like this. And that goes in here, and you put, I use 11 to get about 70 feet, 15 if I want to go 100 or so. And then I aim from here, put it in this part of the leg, and then whoop, and off it goes. This launcher has an electrical valve to operate it. So it has batteries, and you still charge it with the tire pump, but then you aim it like a bazooka. And it's actually a little quicker on the trigger than this original one. We've sold over 1,500 of these since 2012, and we never advertised them. It was first featured in CQ magazine in June of 2012. Joe Eisenberg's article, and right after that it took off. So that's the Joplin Amateur Radio Club. All the money that we make off of these goes back into the club treasury for our repeaters and all our maintenance, that sort of thing. And the reason we're able to sell these at such a good price is because we buy in volume. And the team puts this thing together, cuts them up. It's a kit. Got to build it yourself. And there's more at JoplinARC.org, the Joplin Amateur Radio Club, Joplin, Missouri.
And then how much are they selling for?
Well, that varies. Cash and carry, this one is $80. And then there's a fee for shipping, which is, I think, 20 or 25, I can't recall exactly. But it's $80 cash and carry. So hunt us down at a ham fest and you can always find one.